Sanibonani guys. So namhla sizabe siluke the sum and the difference of a difference of cubes. Guys, ngiyacela please ngicela nisubscribe kule YouTube channel yami so that ngikhona ngichubeka kwenta ama-video la kanje ne. Asicaleni. So masikhuluma ngesum sikhuluma anything that does with plus and then the difference is an answer you get when you subtract. Sesike sachaza kaningi lokho. All right. So what are the cubes? Since guys still are cubic. So ama-cubes yini? Ama-cubes inombolo i-answer loyitfolako ma multiply inombolo 3 times. With number it multiply ngayo 3 times. So it's gonna be 1 here. So let's 2 times 2 times 2. It's gonna be 8, right? 3 times 3 times 3. It's gonna be 27. So lawa yini ma-cubes. So abite ema-cubes in mathematics. So watfola njani ama-cube root enombolo? If ever una ama-cube root utawathola ngekuthini the root of 3 tikwe calculator ikuphanga ngaphi 2. So the cube root of 125 kuba ngaphi kuba ngu5. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi 5 ite multiply ngayo automatic uthi 5 times 5 times 5 itakunika ngaphi 125. Angisho. So masibuya lapho consider variables. Uyithola njani i-cube root ye variable? I-cube root ye variable iphila ine exponent lenani multiple of 3. Cube multiple of 3. So the exponent must be a multiple of 3. Ngisho kanjani mangithi kumele ibe multiple of 3? Ngaba nge-x exponent 3, kube nge-x exponent 6, kube nge-x exponent 9. 3 kumele ungene kule nombolo le. Ngiyindlela lesichaza kuma sike i-multiple of 3. So uyithola njani i-cube root yenang because awukhona kuyi-apply calculator. Uthi okay kulula. If kunge-x exponent 3, i-cube root yayo udivide ngani nga-3 kuthi ukhole i-cube root lengibani leng-x. If kung6 udivide nga3 uthola nge-x exponent 2. Yebo siyithola kanjalo i-cube root kuma variables. So nyalo must consider ama-cube the sum must factorize sisebenzisa i-sum noma i-difference of cubes. Info kumele uyade ukuthi ke lana sikhuluma ngema-term like 2 terms are considered. 2 terms are considered. So kunini lapho ufuna ama-2 terms mawenda the sum and difference of 2 cubes ufactorize ama-2 terms mawubona bathi bakunike ama-term like 2 bathi factorize is either ungafactorize usebenzisa the sum or difference of cubes noma ungasebenzisa the difference of 2 squares noma ungasebenzisa taking out the common factor. So mawune ama-term like 2 always think along those premises. Nice. Asichubeke ke manje. So i-format lotoyisebenzisa ma differentiate i-cubes ngile format le sine bracket lencane saba ne bracket lenkulu. Okay, le bracket lencane le always include what 2 terms la khathi utawubhala ema-term like 2 it's gonna be 2 terms la and then kule brackets le utawubana 3 na 3 terms. So sitawubuka ke manje ukuthi kahle yini empeleni lengena la khathi kulama brackets. Okay, so as an example sithi sinani x exponent 3 minus y exponent 3 sithi kumele si-factorize noma sende plus y exponent 3. All right, so into ekuqala lesitayenda sitobhala i-format yethu. Right, so la asiqale ngama-sign le sign le uphila uyibhala la makung plus la ubhala la utobhala plus sevana mas. Right, so mawuceda utawufuna i-cube root ye-first term yale term le yini i-cube root yala sesiyibonisile sathi kutoba yini nge-x kusho ukuthi utobhala la utobhala x. Yini i-cube root yale kutaba ngibani y. Mawuceda lapho masubhaleli waze waceda leli brackets lekuqala leli kusho ukuthi umsebenzi wakho solula because utawusebenzisa lona kwendani kubhala lokwala. Asicale ke manje utawucala ngekuthi umultiply le term le by itself uthi x times x kuba ngibani x squared. Mawuceda uthini x times y kube ngibani xy. Ubuye futhi uthini y times y kube ngibani y exponent 2. Yabo sokucedzile ke kubhala sokucedzile kubhala ama-variable sosida ngema-sign ke manje i-sign yalana is always positive sign yala always positive and then yala kuba yini kuba i-opposite yale if lana una plus kusho ukuthi lana utawubhala minus and then from there ucedzile kwentani ucedzile factorize so asisibuke ema-example ukuthi-ke singa-factorize sebenzisa i-cubic difference or sum of cubes so lana sine-sum of cubes guys because sina plus la good so nje kucala sitawuyenda sitawubhala iformat yethu i-bracket lenkhulu ne-bracket lencane cala nge-bracket lencane always ngithi ngiyi-bracket lencane letasita ukuthi sende i-bracket lenkhulu right so asambe siyafuna i-cube root ya 8 cube root of 8 ngibani not square root cube root of 8 ngibani 2 and then kusho ukuthi sitawucala ngibhalani 2 angini bese sibiya t exponent 3 utawuba yini t le sign lesiyibhala la ngile plus sitawubhala plus sesiyabuya ke manje sita 125 sithi okay 125 ngibani ngi5 kusho ukuthi sibhala la sibhala 5 and then siyabuya p exponent 3 kutawuba ngibani kutawuba ngi-p sesicedzile ngeli-bracket lethu lekucala kusho ukuthi i-calculator sesicedzele uyisebenzisa sesiqala ngisithi into ekucala wendani umultiply le by itself 2 times 2t by 2t kuba ngibani ngu-4t squared ubuye wendene uthi 2t multiply by umultiply le nalenyalo 2t multiply by 5p utaba nangaphi 10pt ubuye uthi 5 by 5p by 5p utaba nangaphi 25p squared umultiply le by itself now step sekugcina ke leso sesifake ama-sign ngenyala asifake ama-sign i-sign yala sithe always positive and then yala i-opposite yale if lana kungu-plus lana sifakani sifaka minus I hope everything iyabonakala ke nyalo guys ukuthi kahle kahle isebenta njani le nto le right so asitekulena ke nyalo guys ngiyacela phela ukuthi into lethu to-understande kahle ngemoya lothulile ngicela ukuthi usubscribe ulike lapho subscribe ulike ngiloko nje lengicela ku ayikho into letiningi asichubeke ke manje right so sitakule iformat yethu into lemcoka kakhulu kumele uunderstand iformat ukuthi kanjani bracket lelikhulu le bracket lencane lana sina minus sifaka minus la le y exponent 3 sidivide nga3 kusalani y kusho ukuthi la kutaba ngibani kutaba y right sitakule inkinga nyalo sina x exponent 9 sitawu divide lo 9 ngabani nga3 and then kusalani y exponent 3 yebo kusho ukuthi la kutaba ngibani y exponent 3 sisaqhubeka ke manje sendani lena by this one y multiply by y iyati multiply siba na y squared y multiply by x cube siba nani y x cube x cube multiply by s cube siba na x exponent 6 ukhumbule ukuthi mangithi x exponent 3 multiply by x exponent 3 ngitfolani x exponent 3 plus 3 which is equals to x exponent 6 that's why ngitfolele right and then lapho simasibuye sithi lana kutoba yini plus always positive and then this one will be negative always positive and then the other one will be negative right asibuke the last one it's y 1 minus the last one it's 1 minus lokozana into x minus y exponent 3 awuluzi concentration la sivule ama brackets ethu ngeformat yethu sitawubhala minus la ne masicotha ukubhala minus la i-cube root yale ngu-1 and then now yabona ukuthi this is just one term sitawuthi x minus exponent 3 udivide nga3 lo kusalani x minus y so sithatha lo x minus y lo siwufaka la x minus y guys x minus y wethu le siwufaka la x minus y yabona ukuthi ngufake kuphi in the bracket inside the bracket why ngufaka inside the bracket because utaw multiply ngani utaw multiply ngalo negative every time you substitute two terms into negative ubeke i brackets kanje so nyari sisitocala 1 by 1 sina 1 1 by x minus 1 sitoba na x minus y. X minus y multiplied by x minus y sitoba na x minus y all squared, because yakhumbula ngithi 10 ngenza bekumultiplier emanang elokhuzana. So nyalo sifake ama sign. I-sign lakutaba yini? Always positive. Yala kutaba yini? Negative. And then from there ucedzile factorize. Ungasimplify further if ufuna, but from here we are good to go. Yabona ukuthi simple kanjani subscribe ku factorize ama cubes. So ngiyacela guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngikwenda ama video la kanje. Thank you.